Watch tonight. Americans spend billions every year on hair removal products, from razors to waxes to creams.
But as WBZ's Dr. Malika Marshall shows us, there's now a new pain-free way to get smooth skin forever.
A few zaps and unwanted hair disappears.
I don't even feel it.
Christine Dimming has the hair on her upper lip removed in minutes, and it's gone forever. She's also having the hair under her arms removed, which means less time shaving in the shower.
In the shower, I start with the underarms, bikini, legs, and it's a process. I do it every day.
Dermatologist Victoria Cirillo Highland says the new laser, called Soprano, hits all the right notes. With rapid-fire pulses, it destroys hair follicles, and there's no pain.
Patient feels less pain because the energy is lower per pulse.
The pain-free aspect is what makes this laser unique. For the most part, it works like other devices on the market for permanent hair removal, but with those, you can feel it. James Southworth wants to get rid of the hair on his back. First, he gets a few zaps with an old laser.
It feels like hot pins and needles.
Then James gets the Soprano.
It's just slightly warm, but there's no pain at all.
And now he's looking forward to finally taking his shirt off without being embarrassed.
That's great.
And, maybe getting a tan for once.
Here's the before and after comparison for James. And for Christine, her unwanted hair is gone.
Fabulous. Looks great.
Patients usually need at least 2 sessions with the laser, and each session costs around $600. Dr. Malika Marshall, WBZ News.
All right, so this new laser is available at dozens of locations in 14 states. The maker of Soprano expects the device will soon be available in many more places.